Our lens opening card is divided into two parts. The top section shows the larger lens openings 1.4, 2, 2.8, and f4. A bigger opening will blur the background more than a smaller opening, so the larger the opening, the more the background is blurred. In the second half, we show the smaller lens openings, going from 5.6 to 8, 11, and 16. The smaller the lens opening, the more it sharpens the background. The lens opening aperture settings explanation page is a written explanation of lens openings as well as an illustration of how they work. A larger lens opening blurs the background and a smaller opening makes it sharper. The larger the number, the smaller the aperture or lens opening. This can be confusing, so we show each number with the visual of the size above it on the quick reference card. If you turn the numbers into fractions, it makes more sense. Looking at the quick reference card, 1/4 of the lens opening is larger than 1/16 of the opening. In the illustration, we show how a larger lens opening blurs the background and a smaller lens opening sharpens it. At f2.8, which is a larger lens opening, you can see how the background is more blurred behind the subject. At f16, which is a smaller lens opening, you can see how the background behind the subject is sharper. This is just one of the cards in our exposure settings cards that you can download to your cell phone, tablet, or computer. You can download it as a PDF from our website, easyphotoclass.com, or as an app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our Exposure Quick Reference Card visually illustrates the shutter speeds that stop action, the lens openings that blur or sharpen the background, and the ISO settings that help take photos in low light. We also have an illustration card and explanation card for each of the three exposure settings. The shutter speeds illustration card shows the slower shutter speeds that can cause blurry images from camera motion and the faster shutter speeds that help stop action, as well as an explanation card with additional fundamentals. The lens opening illustration card shows the larger lens openings that help blur the background and the smaller lens openings that help sharpen it, along with an explanation card to help you understand them. The ISO settings illustration card shows how lower ISO needs more light and higher ISO needs less light, which helps you take photos in low light, as well as an explanation card with more helpful information. You can get the Exposure Quick Reference Cards app on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for your cell phone or tablet. Links for the app are below this video and in the downloads area of our website as well. If you scroll down our website's download page, you'll find the link to the app. You can also download the Exposure Quick Reference Cards as a PDF in the downloads area of our website, easyphotoclass.com. Simply click on Downloads in the website menu and click on the Exposure Settings Cards image. The PDF download also includes our Top 10 Digital Camera Settings worksheet, which helps you learn where the different settings are located on your digital camera and which buttons and dials you must use to adjust them. In addition to the worksheet, the PDF download also has a page showing you how to reset your digital camera to the original factory settings in case you mess them up while learning about them. While you're in the downloads area at our website, easyphotoclass.com, you can also download our How to Buy Digital Cameras and Lenses videos and worksheets and our Call Creative Choices PDF as well. After downloading the PDF, you can usually find it in your computer's Downloads folder. When you open it, you can view the Exposure Quick Reference Cards PDF on your computer and print out the pages on your printer to study it and carry it with you in your camera bag. It does have multiple pages that you can view as you scroll down. You can also download and view the PDF pages on your cell phone or tablet as well. To view the PDF pages on an Android cell phone or tablet, you'll need to click on Apps, Tools, My Files, Downloads, and click on Documents to find the PDF and click on it to open it. Once you find the PDF, you can actually move it out of the folder and onto one of your pages where you have your other app. With iPhones, you can find the PDF by searching for PDFs in the Finder or the Files folder. Holding your cell phone or tablet sideways will give you a larger image, and if you want to make it even larger, you can do the thing where you spread your thumb and index finger on the screen to make it larger as well. If you'd like to share your photographs online and chat with other photographers, you can join our Facebook group. The link to our Facebook group is on our downloads page at easyphotoclass.com, as well as in the information below this video. If you'd like to go deeper and learn more about your digital camera's exposure settings, you may want to take a look at our Exposure Made Easy workshop at easyphotoclass.com by clicking on Workshops in the website menu. Our exposure workshop goes more in depth to help you learn how to set your exposure settings in different situations, light metering, and a whole lot more to help you get the results you want and have more confidence when using your digital camera. The Exposure Made Easy workshop is a great gift if you know someone who would like to learn how to adjust their digital camera's exposure settings to help them stop action, blur backgrounds, and take photos in low light. When you buy the gift version of a workshop, we send you an email with the download link in it that you can forward to the person you're giving it to on their birthday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, whatever event, or just the fact you want to be nice and send them the workshop. They simply click the link in the email to download the workshop. I hope these exposure cards will help you understand how the shutter speeds, lens openings, and ISO settings work to help you stop action, blur backgrounds, and take photos in low light. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, click share to share it with your family and friends, and click subscribe to see more great videos like it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I'll talk with you soon.